Hey, Motorman Mall, Trinitron9 with that Coney Ellen Wade. Break.
You gotta think twice. I ain't never seen a food truck with Z rating. You know, they go ATC, but they ain't MC. So I don't know.
Hey, Motorman Mall, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Motorman Mall, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Break.
Master P, do me a favor and tell 2020 I said hello, good day too. Tell 2020 I said hello.
Hey, Motorman Mall, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Motorman Mall, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Break.
Good day, because I can't do to put hot dogs in a taco bar. So you're a hot dog in a taco.
Yeah, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, rockin' and rollin'. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, rockin' and rollin'. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, rockin' and rollin'. Break.
I didn't hear it all. It wasn't real loud. I could tell it was there, but it wasn't real loud. Normally your playback is sort of a little bit louder. I ain't heard from him yet.
Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, rockin' and rollin'. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, rockin' and rollin'. Yeah, Trinitron9, D. What is it, Coney Ellen, rockin' and rollin'. Break.
Coming in with Hey, Tommy Gunn, what you working on one, driving two, and Master P, you say you have a...
Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, rockin' and rollin'. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, rockin' and rollin'. Yeah, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, break.
You rockin' and rollin', Tommy, to the Motor Mouth Mall, cruising breakout.
Trinitron9, rockin' and rollin' in these deep waters of Coney Ellen. Trinitron9, rockin' and rollin' in the deep waters of Coney Ellen. Good afternoon in the band, good afternoon. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, break.
Mr. P, I'm gonna go ahead and run outside real fast and pull the antenna down there on your neck of the woods and down south. I'm looking up around the Great Lakes. So, Tommy Gunn, don't go too far away. Master P, hang tight. I'll be right back. Motor Mouth Mall.
Trinitron9 said, I need a Coney Ellen radio cleanup. Trinitron9 need a Coney Ellen radio cleanup. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, rockin' and rollin'. Come on and get in my radio. I need a Coney Ellen radio clean out. Come on and get in my radio. I need a Coney Ellen radio clean out. Trinitron9, break.
How about Trinitron9? You got a copy of 583 Blue Falcon, waving it.
Hey, Blue Falcon, we gonna wave it right back. Haven't heard you for a while, my friend. Hey, Blue Falcon, your Trinitron9, Coney Ellen with the wave. Break. Take care, my friend Blue Falcon. I get that skip taking you on my radio. Hey, Blue Falcon, I appreciate the wave. No diggity, no doubt. I get that skip taking you on my radio. Blue Falcon, your friend, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, standing by. Roger D in Sunset Park. All right, my friend, Blue Falcon, take care till we do it again. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, standing by.
Likewise, take care, be happy New Year. You know, say 583, Blue Falcon, comrade.
Got it all, 583, Blue Falcon, bye.